Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get the Sharkman karate fighting style. This is a really useful tutorial for a great fighting style. This fighting style is really OP for grinding, and yeah, I have used it for literally the whole third C now. So I got it when I was in second C itself, and it's really cool. So in this video, I will be showing you how to get it. It's a really good fighting style, so keep watching till the end. So first of all, it's a V2 fighting style and one of the easiest to get according to me. And yeah, so first of all, you need to have its V1 fighting style, which is Water Kung Fu or WKF in short. So you can buy this from the first C itself. Yeah, so you can get it in that Whirlpool Island where like you just go through a secret door and you can buy it from the WKF teacher or Water Kung Fu teacher for 750,000 belly or dollars, the currency over here. So I have a lot and I already own this fighting style. So you need to have this fighting style, and the hard part is that you need to have some 400 mastery, which I already do. So that's also good. It was pretty easy grinding with some grinding mastery hacks. Well, not exactly hack, like tips and tricks. So yeah, I will be showing you a demonstration of this V1 fighting style. So now you can get this. Like V2 fighting styles are obviously better than the V1 ones. Okay, that was pretty confusing. So they are better than the version 1 of them. So if this can deal a lot of damage, you can imagine how much the Sharkman Karate would do. So I'll just show Z ability. Oh, okay, that's bad. You need the cursor to adjust it. Yeah, I just forgot about that. Z ability 2736 damage. X ability 2955 damage. And the last ability 4300 damage, and per click you deal 2110 damage. So that is really strong for a V1 fighting style. How strong would the V2 be? And actually the main damage is also depending on your stats, as I have maximum stats on the melee and defense. So like melee is the fighting style, so that's why I'll deal a lot of damage. I didn't focus much on Sword, and I don't need much on the other two as I'm a Buddha user. For now, okay, I'm gonna change the fruit as the control rework is coming out. Yeah, I have the control fruit. Oh, right over here, I also have spirit and all. Yeah, so now what to do on how to get this really cool fighting style. So first of all, right now you need to be in the second sea, as you can only get this fighting style from the second sea, and I am in the second sea, Forgotten Island, which is the last island in the second sea. So when you're over here, you need the you need to match a few requirements. So number one, I told you you should have the WKF fighting style with 400 mastery on it. That means you will have basically all the moves. So the next requirement is that you need to have 2.5 million belly or more. Like I have 2.727 million belly right now. And the third requirement is that you need to have some 5,000 fragments. You can check the amount of fragments by keeping your cursor on the belly. Right now I have 659 fragments, but as I already own this fighting style, it's not a problem for me because I kind of lost a lot while buying the Let's Step fighting style and the Sharkman karate fighting style. I also brought the Dragon Talon recently. So now the next requirement is that you need to have the water key, which is a drop from the boss which spawns on the same island. So you can also use your instinct to figure out. The boss will spawn right over here. So it would be the Tidekeeper boss, which is level 1975. No, sorry, 1475, which is 1475. So you need to defeat this boss, and then there's a slight chance that you might actually get the water key. So after you get the water key, you have to just come back to the main area. There is one more thing, like when you're actually grinding this tidekeeper boss, and if it drops you the water key, but you actually haven't met all the requirements to get it. For example, you have just 375 mastery on the water kung fu fighting style, and you don't have enough belly too. So, and but then you got the water key from the tidekeeper boss. So all you have to do is you can actually give this to this Diagrock NPC, which will actually be teaching us the Sharkman. So over here, next to the skull, over in front of this house, you will see Diagrock the Sharkman, and through his name only we can see that this is actually going to teach us Sharkman karate fighting style. So here you talk to him. It seems like you already know the style. Yeah, so if you talk to him, it'll just kind of show you some prompt and it'll actually take your water key. So, and then when you have the other requirements such as the belly, fragments, and the mastery, you can come and directly buy it from the Diagrock NPC because you have already given him the water key. So that's also one way to actually reserve this water key. But if you already have the requirements, including the other ones such as the belly, mastery, and the fragments, along with the water key, you can buy it instantly. So that's also no problem right there. So now I will just be buying this fighting style, learning it again. I'll just show you the moves. I have all of them. Yeah, I have it like 467 mastery. Is it was really good and I used it for grinding a lot. So yeah, I just find an NPC. Okay, Z 3804 damage, 3645 damage. It usually deals some 4000. I don't know, 4232 damage. So that is actually a bit less than this WKF fighting style. But then the combos with this are way better, and the M1 also deals a lot more damage. Like C deals some 2500 damage per hit, that used to deal some 2100. So honestly, this fighting style is better as you can spam faster with this, like those, the Buddha spam transform, put on an auto clicker and just go to the NPCs. That happens really, really cool with this. And yeah, right now I don't have auto clicker on, so I won't be able to show you like how I do it. So yeah, this is a really, really cool fighting style, and thank you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and smash that bell icon over there to get such more tutorials on really good stuff. Okay, so that's it for today's. See ya.